Glossary of terms related to the Python programming language. Python. 1. Python, a high-level, versatile, and interpreted programming language known for its readability and simplicity. It is widely used in web development, data science, scientific computing, and more. Basic concepts. 2. Syntax, the rules that define the combinations of symbols that are considered to be correctly structured Python programs. 3. Indentation, Python uses indentation, witty space, to define blocks of code, making it visually clear and significant. Data types. 4. Variable, a named storage location in memory used to store data. 5. Integer, int, a data type representing whole numbers. 6. Float, a data type representing decimal numbers. 7. String, str, a data type for text or sequences of characters. 8. Boolean, bool, a data type representing true or false values. 9. List, a mutable, ordered collection of items. 10. Tuple, an immutable, ordered collection of items. 11. Dictionary, dict, an unordered collection of key-value pairs. 12. Set, an unordered collection of unique elements. Control flow. 13. If statement, a conditional statement that executes code based on a specified condition. 14. For loop, a loop that iterates through a sequence or iterable. 15. While loop, a loop that repeats code while a specified condition is true. Functions. 16. Function, a block of reusable code designed to perform a specific task. 17. Argument, a value provided to a function when it's called. 18. Return statement, a statement used within a function to return a value to the caller. 19. Lambda function, an anonymous, small, and inline function defined using the lambda keyword. Modules and packages. 20. Module, a Python file containing functions, variables, and code that can be reused in other programs. 21. Package, a collection of related modules organized in directories. Exception handling. 22. Exception, an event that occurs during the execution of a program and disrupts the normal flow. 23. Try except, a construct for handling exceptions, allowing graceful error handling. File handling. 24. File I/O, input and output operations for reading from and writing to files. 25. Open function, used to open a file for reading, writing, or appending. Object-oriented programming. 26. Class, a blueprint for creating objects that have attributes and methods. 27. Object, an instance of a class with its own unique data and behavior. 28. Inheritance, a mechanism that allows a class to inherit properties and methods from another class. 29. Method, a function defined within a class. 30. Attribute, a variable defined within a class. 31. Encapsulation, the concept of bundling data and methods that operate on that data into a single unit, a class. This glossary should help you understand fundamental terms and concepts related to the Python programming language. Python is a versatile language with a wide range of applications, so these terms are foundational for working with Python in various domains. Thank you.